sunny out there, at least high in the sky, not necessarily at ground level. Hope you guys are having a fabulous start to your Monday. It is going to be hot today. We're talking about the potential for record-breaking heat in the middle of October. The good news is fall-like temperatures will be on the way a bit later, but let's step outside and take a look at this gorgeous sunrise. We love to see it across Houston, especially bringing a smile to the start of your week. We are still waking up to the 60s and 70s out the door. Dew point values are pretty warm right now, but I want to mention that humidity is going to be low overall a bit later today. As we do plan your afternoon in Galveston, those temps will be rising to the upper 80s, College Station in the low 90s, but everywhere in between is going to be seeing the mid, if not upper 90s. And it's not just us here in Southeast Texas feeling those temperatures 10 to 15 degrees above average. It continues out to the west, whereas folks who live in the Midwest and Northeast actually seeing below normal temperatures as an area of low pressure has been bringing some showers and thunderstorms. You can see that here. But as we take you down a little bit closer to Houston, Tuesday night into Wednesday, the approach of a front moves in. Now it's going to be dry, meaning we're not necessarily going to be seeing any rain chances through the middle of the week. Just a bit of a dip in those temperatures. And by a dip, I mean a lot, going from 96 today down to highs on Wednesday at 78 here in H-Town, and some spots potentially even cooler than that. And you know, when highs are in the 70s to low 80s, those wake up temperatures are going to be in the 50s and 60s. So yes, fall will finally be upon us. Just got to get through the next day or so of those warm temperatures. Now I quickly just want to talk about the tropics, because other than this tropical wave, we're not monitoring any action across the Atlantic, the Gulf of Mexico, as well as the Caribbean. What we are seeing is that as this tropical wave will be moving westward over the next several days, it's going to be moving into conditions that are favorable for further development. So right now we have a 50% chance of getting a tropical depression, I'd say, within the next week. And if we do get our next named storm, Nadine would be the next one on the list. But a friendly reminder, this is, there's still a lot of uncertainty in the forecast. So we're going to continue to bring you those updates. If you download the free Fox Local app to your smart TV, we have a daily tropical update at 4 p.m. But here's a look at the next 7 days. We are pleasant midweek, and then the chance for a few showers arrives back into the forecast by this weekend.